literally have to film this video again because I thought my mic was on and it wasn't, and I was silent the whole time. Winning! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you are here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. So today's video is an apartment tour, per usual on Tuesdays. I went and toured the Broadway Plaza Lofts, I think they're called. First of all, they were so freaking cheap. The first unit that we saw was a 1-bedroom, and that was $1,350. The second unit was a 2-bedroom, and it was like $1,500-ish, maybe $1,550, no more than $1,600. I was shook. I also want to say there are no fees for this apartment because everything is included in that $1,350 or $1,550 price. There are no like parking fees or anything like that. There is a garage for parking, so that is really nice. I don't know about Wi-Fi and electric. That will be a question for you to ask. I feel like these prices really cannot be beat for the location. Speaking of the location, let's go ahead and hop into maps really quick and see exactly where this place is located. Like always, the red pin is exactly where these apartments are located. As you can see, you are honestly, like I was saying earlier, in a really, really good spot. Like, it is not luxury. It is not the best apartment that you're going to get out here. But for this price in this area, it's a great deal. I feel like so many people would be okay living here. You have enough space. You'll see later on. You're right next to Coors Field over here, as you can see. And then if we zoom in a bit more, you guys will see that you're, like I just said, in a really good location. Whiskey Row is a really popular area where a lot of people like to go out on the weekend. Syrup is a really, really delicious like breakfast spot. So freaking good. STK, I talked about this place last time. Oh my god. There's also a King Soopers and a Whole Foods market if you need to go grocery shopping. And then just to show you guys where like Union Station is at, it's right here. So if you need to get to the airport or, you know, anywhere like that, then you can hop on one of these and it'll take you where you need to go for literally like $9 or $10. It is so cheap. Okay, so now that you guys have seen a little bit of where this place is at, let's get straight into the first unit that we saw, which was a 1-bedroom. And I'll show you guys the 2-bedroom later and the couple of amenities that they do have. The first thing that you see right when you walk in is this checkered floor that I'm showing you, and I really wanted to make sure I showed this to you guys because to me it looks like this is a cafeteria floor. I don't know if anybody else is catching those vibes, but I'm definitely catching those vibes. I don't know if I like it, but I also don't mind it, especially for the price of $1,350. I know people right now that are paying the same price for smaller spaces and, you know, a lot less of everything. I really wouldn't complain, I don't think. Like, honestly, even though I would feel like I'm walking into a cafeteria every day, whatever. You have black appliances in this unit, which I like everything as long as it's matching and it looks cohesive, then we can get down with it for sure. You have like these oak colored cabinets, tan oak. They match the floors really well. You have silver hardware, and I really like in this cabinet space that there is that open feature. So if you have really cute plates or glasses that you want to display, that is something that you can definitely do in this apartment. And across from that cabinet area, you have an island, somewhat of an island. The reason I do quotation marks is because the island doesn't really stick out that far. I would say it goes out maybe this far, like 3, max 4 inches, but I don't even think it hits 4 inches for sure. But it is nice to have. You don't have to get a table if you don't want to. I mean, your whole leg doesn't need to be under the entire island. You have all of the necessities as far as appliances go in here. Oh, one thing I do want to mention really quick is that the washers and dryers are like community based. It is per floor. You do have to share. That is one downside, but I feel like it is good to still put some of those options in there, especially if it's like per floor. That's a lot less bad than if it was for the entire building, because that would suck. I would not be down for that. One thing specifically that I really like about this apartment is the concrete features. First of all, the ceiling is concrete, and then there's some like panels in the wall that are also concrete. There are no lights in any rooms except your kitchen and your bathroom. If you're somebody that needs a lot of light, then you're probably not going to like this spot because of the fact that there are no lights. First of all, this living room has really amazing windows, floor to ceiling basically, and all the way across the entire wall, with the wall AC in there. But these windows are pretty freaking good. I personally would not complain about these windows. I would be a happy camper. You also have carpet in the living room and the bedroom, so if you're not a carpet person, then this might not be the spot for you. And then going into the bedroom, again with the windows, they're basically floor to ceiling and covering the entire wall. So you guys know that I'm dying over this because I love windows so much. I don't really like those blinds that they have, but I could definitely get behind it, get with it for those windows. The only thing that I don't like about this unit specifically is that your view is, and I don't mean this to be rude, but it's true, your view is a bunch of homeless people in tents across the street. And I feel really bad for them, but I also don't want that to be my view when I'm like looking outside or, you know, whatever, just something to keep in mind. And then going into the bathroom, again, like the kitchen, you have this same checkered floor concept. You have the same colored oak cabinets, the dark laminate countertops and silver hardware. And then you have a bathtub. You don't have like a fancy shower or anything, just a normal bathtub. And then you have two closets, one in this bedroom and then the other one in your bathroom and bedroom. Oh my God. Everybody is like doing stuff right now. It's so awkward. I want them to go far away. I am so frazzled. People have been going in and out of their apartments on my floor like so much in the last 10 minutes. It's been so awkward for me. So I'm just gonna end this video here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Stick around for the couple of amenities that they do have in the 2-bedroom unit that we saw. If you guys enjoyed, please like this video, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, I'll see you guys on Saturday for my vlog. Bye.